If you want to start the new year right, me have the top 5 Jamaican greetings for you. Wagwan this and that family. You know, so me sit down here so, and I'm thinking, so we need to start off the new year with a bang. Anyways, me glad to see you again. How you do? Comment below and let me know how you are doing. Also, comment where you're from. Remember to say, me come from Africa, me come from Canada. Anywhere you come from, just type it in the comment section. So first up, we have how you stay. This one is used when you're asking someone how they are doing, or if you're asking someone how is things going with them. It is similar to how are you, but with a Jamaican twist. Come on man, use up the Jamaican patois. Say it, how you stay. So the second greeting is good morning, my friend. This is a nice, friendly way to greet someone. It's the perfect greeting to share some positive energy early in the day. You good? This one is like asking someone if they are all right or if everything is okay. It's an easy way to check in on someone. Just ask and you're good to go. Jamaican language is so colorful. Comment below and let me know if you're enjoying learning the Jamaican patois. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Alright, so this one say, me woulda say. This phrase is used to express excitement. Me woulda say. You know, it means I would say, or it means that I agree, but it's in a more energetic way. You can use this one when you want to hype someone up. Me woulda say. Woo! Let's move on to the fifth one. Me I give thanks. Last but not least is this one where I say me I give thanks. This one means I'm grateful or I'm giving thanks. It's a great way to appreciate life, especially when entering the new year with a positive mindset. These greetings will definitely help you to get your Jamaican vibes on. So try them out this new year and spread the love. Drop a comment and let me know which one was your favorite, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.